Welcome to the Ultimate Memory Hack. Today, we're going to teach you how to create a memory palace and unlock the full potential of your brain. Have you ever struggled to remember a grocery list, a phone number, or even your friend's name? Well, say goodbye to those struggles because the memory palace technique is here to save the day. The memory palace technique is based on the idea that our brains remember images and locations better than words or abstract concepts. By creating a vivid and memorable palace in your mind, you can associate different items with different locations in the palace. Close your eyes and imagine a grand palace with different rooms, corridors, and staircases. Visualize each detail of the palace, including the colors, textures, and smells. Make it as detailed as possible so that it feels like a real place. Notice how relaxing and calming it feels to be in your memory palace. It's your own personal space where you can store and retrieve information with ease. Now, imagine placing a specific item in one of the rooms. For example, if you want to remember to buy milk at the grocery store, imagine pouring a gallon of milk in a particular room of your palace. You can place as many items as you want in different rooms of your palace. Just make sure that each item is associated with a specific location in your palace. When you need to recall the items, simply walk through the palace in your mind and retrieve the items from the rooms where you placed them. With the memory palace technique, you can remember anything from a long list of items to a complicated speech. It's the ultimate memory hack that will transform the way you learn and remember. Imagine using this technique to memorize a speech for a presentation or a lecture. You can associate different parts of the speech with different locations in your palace and walk through it in your mind to recall the entire speech without notes. You can also use the memory palace technique to remember names and faces. Associate each person with a specific room or location in your palace and recall their name and face whenever you see them. You can even use the memory palace technique to learn a new language. Associate each word with a specific location in your palace and walk through it in your mind to recall the entire vocabulary without using flashcards or textbooks. So, what are you waiting for? Create your own memory palace and unlock the full potential of your brain today. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to improve their memory, the memory palace technique is the ultimate memory hack that will change the way you learn and remember forever. With just a little bit of practice, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can recall information and how much more confident you feel in your ability to learn. Imagine the feeling of walking through your memory palace with ease, effortlessly recalling information and feeling confident in your ability to learn and remember. It's an incredible feeling, and it's all possible with the memory palace technique. And the best part is, you can share this technique with your friends and family, helping them to improve their memory and learn more effectively. Imagine the impact you can have on their lives, just by sharing this simple yet powerful technique. So, are you ready to create your own memory palace and unlock the full potential of your brain? Let's do this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to improve your memory and learn more effectively.